global practices which are followed and implemented by several organizations around the world, and how we can take help from those practices which perhaps, if aligned with our cultural context, can elicit better results.
Important and foremost thing, alignment of accountability to the affected population that we are serving, that gets better. So that's at the heart and the core of it, that how do we serve the survivors and victims.
Can we and should we, you see, in case of moderate cases, also blacklist a person? And if that happens, you see, what is the future of that person? Every individual has a family, they have dependents, they have to face the society. And we feel that, you see, if we terminate the services, that should be a reasonably good message to make corrections for the future. Some individuals will get corrected, others may not.